my channel, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tana Banks, Raquel, whichever one you want to call me. And today I am doing a bag review. So Coach has made a comeback, I guess you want to call it, but I've always loved Coach. Coach is just, I feel like Coach is that girl. Like, of course they've updated like the style of their bags, so I got one, but I just want to say that I've always represented Coach. So today we're going to talk about, it's a saddlebag with a horse and carriage. That's literally the description of the bag. And the bag that I got is black with like a little brown or whatever. So it came in this brown UPS box. Open the box and it just has like, you know, what I got. And then it has if I want to return it. And then it also has this card in here. And it's the Coach times peanuts. So I'm gonna guess that they're gonna do a collab, and that should be cute, so I'm excited to see that. So I got this, and then all that's left in the box is the purse. So the purse comes nicely wrapped in this plastic. It says Coach on it, and I know some people, they'll keep the plastic, but I'm not gonna do that, honey. We just gonna throw it away. But it comes nicely wrapped, and this purse was $140, I believe. Yes, so I got it on sale. So the original price of this Coach purse is $350, and I got it on sale at $140. That is a steal. When you see a purse that you like, please get it, because I cannot find this purse that I seen on their website. I'm so mad, but it was like a cute dark brown purse. But this is cute. This is cute. Like, I don't really like mini bags like this, but this is not a mini, but this is just darling. So this is what it looks like coming straight out of the paper. Let me give y'all an up close. Has the horse in the carriage, and it's shaped like a saddle, as y'all can see. Just having a staple black bag is just, I mean, it's necessary to me. So you open it, and it's red right here on the inside. Has more plastic, more paper. Here's the strap right here. More paper, more paper. Let me just take all the paper out.
I'm guessing this is just, it says a little TLC goes a long way to take care for this product. Avoid heat and moisture. Clean with Coach Leather Cleaner. Condition with Coach Leather Moisturizer. All Coach fabrics are water repellent, so that's nice to know. But I'm gonna throw this part away. Still cleaning it out. So it has a nice pocket right here. So let me finish cleaning it out, and then I'll show y'all all of the pockets. I mean, there's literally paper everywhere.
I'm done. So I thought that it had like a little brown detailing, which it does on the inside of the strap. So this is the entire purse right here with the gold hardware, and it's really just an all black purse. The only brown is this right here, and you can adjust the strap, which I do like. I love purses with straps. Shoulder bags, things that you can like put across your body. I mean, I don't do that, but you know, people like to do that. Or you just do it like this, you know, on your shoulder. I like carrying my purses like that. But it just has this little magnetic thing, goes like that. Very quiet. I noticed that it has like this extra pocket right here in the front pocket. And then it has this open space right here, and then it has this pocket right here, and it also has a pocket right here, so you can slide your phone back here. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't know why I thought it was more to this purse, but it's not. But like I said, the original price for this purse was $350. I got it for $140 because they're always having some type of % off on the Coach website. I ordered this directly from the Coach website, and I will put it down in the description box, the website and the direct link to this. They do have it in more colors. You don't have to be a basic Sally like me, but I don't know, sometimes you just gotta spoil yourself. And Coach, to me, this, you know, this is spoiling myself, and I think this is really cute and simple. It's really a horse and a carriage, a saddle with a horse and a carriage. That's literally the name of this purse on Coach, and it's so darling. So if y'all like this review, make sure you thumbs up and leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe to become a part of the Brownie Squad. What are you waiting for? But yeah, make sure y'all leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.